Hey everyone, today I will show you how to create professional eye-catching social media ID cards in minutes using AI. Whether it's for branding, networking, or just standing out, this tutorial will walk you through everything step by step. So let's dive in. First, pick an AI design tool that suits your needs. Some popular options include Canva, for example. You can use Canva by downloading Canva or go to the official website, right? You can download Canva in order to use it for your AI design. Great for templates and easy of use. Or you can use Figma, right? With AI plugins, ideal for custom advanced designs. Or you can use Midjourney, right? And again, you can use the website or the app or DALL-E AI, and you're gonna be able to find it on your website. So in my case, I'm gonna use ChatGPT, right? So I'm gonna say, can you make ID or social ID card, right? And then I'm gonna send. And as you can see, they will need my information like name, Amar, right? Profile picture, which is optional. I'm gonna skip it. Date of birth, 27 June 2024, right? An ID number, optional. I'm gonna skip it. Address, optional. Contact info, optional as well. And other details like organizations, let's say content creator. Right, I'm gonna hit send right here. Now they're gonna create an image, and of course you can use Canva or Midjourney in order for this to help. Excuse me for my voice. And as you can see right here, here is a design for social ID card for me. Okay, so now they just generated this image just for me. Okay, and then if you find it appealing, you can click save at the bottom left right here, and as you can see, your image saved as a PNG or maybe as a web format. Okay, and now you can share it to other social media or use it as a digital business card. And that's it. You've just created a stunning social media ID card using AI, whether that was ChatGPT, Midjourney, Figma with AI plugins, or Canva. Okay, if you found this helpful, do not forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you will use your ID card for. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.